हर महंगी चीज इफेक्टिव हो बिल्कुल जरूरी नहीं है, और ये भी जरूरी नहीं है कि जस्ट बिकॉज एक प्रोडक्ट अफोर्डेबल है वो भी एक हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट के जैसे परफॉर्म करे। प्रोडक्ट्स को इफेक्टिव बनाते हैं तीन चीजें। नंबर वन, इंग्रेडिएंट्स। नंबर टू, क्वालिटी ऑफ इंग्रेडिएंट्स। एंड नंबर थ्री, फॉर्मुलेशन, कि किस तरह के इंग्रेडिएंट चॉइस को एक साथ ब्लेंड किया गया है टू गिव यू दैट प्रोडक्ट। एंड इसलिए आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूं माय टॉप 5 रेटिनॉल सेरम्स दैट आर हाई एंड। प्रोडक्ट्स एक्सपेंसिव हैं लेकिन द फॉर्मुलेशन इज वर्ल्ड क्लास and that makes it totally worth the money that you're going to spend. ये सारे के सारे retinol serums beginner friendly नहीं हैं, so they are for advanced users. तो अगर आप 0.3% retinol use कर चुके हैं, comfortably आपकी skin tolerate करती है, you are wanting to level up to something higher, something better, then today's video is just for you. हेलो एंड वेलकम टू स्किन केयर सिंप्लीफाइड। मेरा नाम है निपुन, आपकी स्किन केयर बेस्टी एंड अ सर्टिफाइड स्किन केयर कंसल्टेंट। आज हम बात करेंगे अबाउट हाई एंड रेटिनॉल सेरम्स, टॉप 5 फ्रॉम 2023 दैट आर वर्थ योर मनी। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले यू नो द ड्रिल, लाइक सब्सक्राइब अगर आप एंजॉय करते हैं साइंस पैक डेली स्किन केयर कंटेंट। आई मेक अ वीडियो एवरी सिंगल डे हियर ऑन स्किन केयर सिंप्लीफाइड, द ओनली चैनल ऑन प्लैनेट अर्थ जहां आपको मिलते हैं डिटेल स्किन केयर रूटीन्स। और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं आपके रूटीन्स को रिव्यू करूं, मुझसे बात करना चाहते हैं इन अ क्लोज्ड कम्युनिटी या वन ऑन वन, feel free to join the channel membership starting at 799 rupees a month. Now let's get started with the video and I'm going to give you my number one recommendation. This is a product that I have repurchased twice. लास्ट ईयर भी रिपर्चेस किया था, इस साल खत्म हो गया है। आई एम एक्चुअली अ ट्रेटिनॉइन यूजर, मैं यूज करती हूँ ट्रेटिनॉइन, लेकिन टाइम टू टाइम व्हेन आई एम टेस्टिंग आउट अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट मैं ट्रेटिनॉइन को देती हूँ ब्रेक। आई स्टार्ट यूजिंग रेटिनॉल सेरम्स सो आई कैन keep myself updated and bring to you products that are truly amazing. So the number one recommendation is by the brand Sunday Riley. Sunday Riley A+ Retinol Serum. क्यों है ये इतना अमेजिंग? प्राइस टैग तो इसकी काफी है। दिस इज लाइक almost like $60-70, you know, depending on where you're buying it from. But what makes this product so amazing? Three things. ये blend है retinoid और retinol esters का. Retinol esters are super gentle forms of retinol. Very, very gentle, absolutely beginner friendly. And retinoids are for advanced user. Retinoids are stronger. ये एक high dose formula है. In addition to this, this has coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 is an antioxidant that not only protects your skin, it also brightens your skin. And इसके साथ इसमें है honey. Honey is great for hydration, great for brightening your skin. ये जो तीन key ingredients हैं, apart from the 30 other ingredients that are in the list, these are the main three ingredients that make this formula super gentle. Like I said, it's not a beginner friendly formula. It is for advanced users because it's hai retinoid, but this is a non-irritating gentle formula जिससे आपका skin cell turnover तो boost होता ही है जो retinoids करते हैं, जिससे आपका skin bright तो लगता ही है which is a byproduct of retinoids, but साथ ही साथ you are going to fade away your marks. Your skin is going to feel deeply nourished and hydrated. The Sunday Riley A+ Retinoid is a fabulous product अगर आप level up करना चाह रहे हैं before tretinoin, या अगर किसी भी reason से आपको tretinoin suit नहीं करता and you just want a high strength retinol, the Sunday Riley is amazing. इसके साथ ही उनका एक और product आता है which is called the Luna Oil. Now, the Sunday Riley Luna Oil is basically an oil-based retinol, but it is very gentle. If you are a super advanced user and you're feeling super experimentative, आप अपना pea-size amount of retinol serum लगा सकते हैं, उसके ऊपर लगाएं अपना moisturizer and उसके ऊपर लगाएं Luna Oil. The combination of these two will give you absolutely amazing results. या अगर आपको retinoid serum nahi lagana, if you just want something gentle, you can definitely opt in for the Luna Oil. The Luna Oil is something I still have, and sometimes when I want a little extra hydration, especially now in the winter months, I actually combine it with the retinol serum, and this is absolutely fabulous. Sunday Riley ke in general sare ke sare products are my absolute favorite in their category. Whether it's their THT ascorbate 15% vitamin C serum, whether it's the Good Genes lactic acid, or whether it is the A+ retinol. उनकी एक आई क्रीम भी है जो मुझे इतनी खास पसंद नहीं आई थी, but these are the top 3 products and the A+ retinol is my recommendation number 1. Recommendation number 2 is something that I repurchased recently 2 months ago and इसे मैं धीरे धीरे use कर रही हूँ. I've taken a break from my retinoid and that is by Dr. Dennis Gross. Dr. Dennis Gross has a retinol serum with ferulic acid. Now Dr. Dennis Gross and I go back a long way. कहानी शुरू होती है back in 2019 जब मैंने retinol use करना शुरू किया था first time. So I started with the brand ROC. उसके बाद I got the Dr. Dennis Gross retinol cream. And I absolutely loved it. It was so gentle, it was so beautiful that उसे मैं actually हफ्ते के 7 दिन use कर सकती थी without any irritation. Gorgeous formula. But उसके बाद I took a break from Dr. Dennis Gross and धीरे धीरे I moved to tretinoin. Now, I repurchased this particular retinol serum because I looked at the formula and I fell in love. क्या है इस formula में? Obviously, you get retinol. You get ferulic acid, which is an antioxidant. Antioxidant and retinol combine करने का मतलब है आपको मिलती है brightness, glow, fading away of dark acne spots, marks, etc. Pigmentation को कम करता है, along with all the benefits of retinol. So ferulic acid plus retinol, that's one. Number 2 or number 3, it also has niacinamide in high concentration. It has mandelic acid and lactic acid. क्या करता है ये mandelic acid? क्या करता है lactic acid? It exfoliates your skin. Now think about this formula, and I've been using it a few times. I'm going to be more regular with it. It brightens, exfoliates, and does all the beautiful things that retinol does. Product is quite expensive, but the results that you get every single morning, you are feeling more hydrated, your skin is feeling plump, and your lines just look smoother and extremely flattened out. Lines कभी जाती नहीं है, lines खत्म करने के लिए botox करना पड़ता है, but everything else that is possible with topical skincare, that is what Dr. Dennis Gross does for you. Love this product. ये भी blend है retinol and retinol esters का, in addition to some citrus fruit extracts. But the main thing is you're getting exfoliation, niacinamide, ferulic acid, antioxidant plus retinol. Gorgeous formula. This is my recommendation number 2. Recommendation number 3 is by Drunk Elephant, and that is the Passioni Retinol Cream 1%. ये मैं use कर रही थी sometime early last year, so we're talking of beginning of 2022. Loved it. 1% retinol मिलता है, plus आपको इसके साथ मिलता है 2 type के peptides. Palimetol tripeptide 1, palimetol tripeptide 7. इन दोनों को मिला के क्या मिलता है? इन दोनों को मिला के बनता है Matrixyl. But obviously this doesn't have Matrixyl. Matrixyl is a patented formula, but you get 2 types of very strong peptides जो high concentration में है if you go by the ingredient list. In addition to that, you've got niacinamide, you've got fatty acids, you've got retinol. Gorgeous formula. Absolutely love it. And much like Drunk Elephant, much like Sunday Riley, Drunk Elephant में भी एक retinol oil है. So they have the Drunk Elephant retinol oil, and that actually has retinol, marula oil, ceramides, and it is very hydrating. So if you want to try the same combination जो मैंने Sunday Riley के साथ recommend किया था, Sunday Riley A plus retinol moisturizer, फिर Luna oil, you can do the exact same thing with Drunk Elephant. You can use the Passioni retinol cream, you can use a moisturizer, and उसके बाद you can use the retinol oil. Ideal for winter months, summer में not so much, but if you don't want to use a high strength retinol, if you just want to use oil forms, that is also fabulous for you. So recommendation number 3 is from Drunk Elephant, and if you know, I have rediscovered or fallen in love with Drunk Elephant another time with their Ashaba eye cream, which has got copper peptides, retinol, caffeine, gorgeous formula. That is my eye cream for the night. I've been using it from now like 3 to 4 weeks या 4 हफ्ते होने वाले हैं. Fabulous. So अगर आप Drunk Elephant की retinol range की बात करें, and if you want to pick up 3 products from that range, the Passioni retinol cream, the retinol oil is optional, but the retinol eye cream is fabulous. Like I said, expensive products, but they're worth every cent. One, because it will last you a long time. Retinol high strength हो, low strength हो या tretinoin हो, लगाना तो आपने pea size amount ही है. You're not going to like slather it up like a moisturizer. So आराम से, even if you're using it up to like 4 times a week, this product will last you for 4 to 5 months if you're using other products in the middle. So ये काफी लंबा चलता है, and the results you get are absolutely fabulous. So this is my recommendation number 3, जो है from Drunk Elephant. Recommend number 4, which is slightly more accessible, is by Kiehl's, the Kiehl's Microdose Retinol Serum. Now, this is also a great formula because you obviously get retinol, high strength pure retinol, you get peptides, and you get ceramides. Peptides, ceramides are like building blocks of our skin. As we age, we need more. As we age, we need more of this goodness, which is peptides and ceramides, and the microdose is basically slightly encapsulated, so ये आपके स्किन को irritate नहीं करेगा. Having said that, जैसे कि मैंने वीडियो के शुरुआत पे कहा, सारे के सारे options are not for beginners. These are all for advanced users. Beginner है 0.1, 0.2, 0.15, 0.3 इस तरह के products use करें. मैंने beginner friendly retinols पे 10 की पूरी list बनाई है. It has been already posted, so if you missed that video, go back and check it out. This is for advanced users, and the Kiehl's formula is also fabulous. The good news with Kiehl's is also that you get it pretty much everywhere in the world. And my recommendation number 5, जो technically affordable है, so this is like $30, so it is the most affordable of this entire list, but India में आके ये बहुत महंगा हो जाता है because you're getting it from like Style.io, whatever, is the 1% retinol serum by Inkey List. Now, when you're buying Inkey List products, you've got to be careful because Inkey List के अब 2 lines हैं. One is the regular Inkey List products, and then certain products have the tag of Inkey List Super Solutions. Super Solutions में they are going into high strengths. So the 1% retinol serum that I'm talking about is the Inkey List Super Solutions, जिसमें आपको मिलता है 1% retinol. You don't get any additional peptides, etc. But in general, you get a little bit of niacinamide, you get your hyaluronic acid. It's a good formula. It's not the best, but it is a high strength formula once again. So ये थे मेरे top 5 recommendations of retinol based creams which are high end but are worth your money. So if you can access them, if you can get them easily, I highly recommend trying one of them. अगर मुझे फाइनल रेटिंग देनी हो तो मैं किस तरह से दूंगी? फाइनल रेटिंग अगर मुझे देनी हो, so I will put Dr. Dennis Gross number 1, Sunday Riley number 2. Actually, Sunday Riley and Drunk Elephant, I can't do a 1 and 2. It would Sunday Riley, Drunk Elephant would be number 2, both of them. Then would come Kiehl's, then would come Inkey List. So ये थे मेरे top 5. If you enjoyed this video, do consider liking and subscribing. And अगर आपने miss कर दी the list of affordable retinols under 1,000 rupees, then I'm going to link it up somewhere or in the description box. Do check it out, and I will see you tomorrow with another video. Till then, take great care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye.